Okay, glad you're back. Learned something new. So today we're going to learn how to make the perfect peanut butter jelly sandwich in 5 minutes.
Guaranteed.
That's right, guaranteed. Okay, we're going to do it the Pedrin way. Very special, different from everybody else's way. You've been doing it wrong the whole time. You haven't made a peanut butter jelly sandwich for, well, you don't know what you're doing for one thing. But your mom used to make them for you. Your mom's not making it for you anymore, but you still long for it and pine for a wonderful peanut butter jelly sandwich. We have Wonder Bread, famous, good, favorite of kids, a staple everywhere. Country buttermilk, which is the one we're going to use because it's more of an adult-sized bread. Still similar to this, and probably no buttermilk in it at all, but whatever. We have a Bohemian 12-grain sunflower seed. It's impossible. So we're not going to use Wonder Bread today, as I told you earlier, but we are going to leave it on the table as respect for all the many peanut butter jelly sandwiches that Wonder Bread used. You have a spreading item, big wide thing. We don't use these. That's Mom's. The heel, no good. One of the kings, the king of them all. If you want the proper meal, we'll put Skippy over here. Actually, you know what? Let's put it with Wonder Bread because they're two kings, and they're good. Don't have any nuts getting in the way. If you want nuts, go get yourself a box of trail mix. And I don't know if you can see this, but there it is, and you're working the peanut oil in there.
Smells
incredible, huh? First one good. Second one good. You got time to make it. You want a nice little frame there. You got time. You're going to be eating it, so you might as well enjoy it. You want this nice little, what we call the bathtub. Say it over. Jellies for kids, jams for adults. Okay, so we're using red raspberry. Smucker's, really good brand. I'm not trying to promote them, but they are good. You're going to open it, have a nice little crackling sound. Open it up, and look at that. And it's really good. It's not going to fall out. And it's not wobbly like jelly. You see the little, I don't know, I guess there's vitamins in there. But anyway, place it down here. Pick this bread up here, wipe it clean. Now don't do it all the way clean. If you're smart, you'll leave a little peanut butter on, and then when you put it in, somebody else might want to use the jam, but they'll see peanut butter there and then they'll figure they don't want to use it. That way you kind of own the jam for yourself for the next peanut butter jelly sandwich. Look at how you do this. Once, around the second time. Pick it up, over, drop it in the middle of the bathtub. Roll in, drop it in the bathtub. That little move right there is not going to be easy. You don't spread across here. You're going to tap it through the middle of the bathtub. Now, where people make a problem, too much peanut butter and not enough jam, and then when they bite it, it's about as dry as a popcorn fart. So we don't want that. We want it to be, and that's the driest thing there is, by the way. We're going to come over, drop it. Looks good. These two items go together.
The rim?
Nope. 1/4 inch from the top. All the vitamins are in the bubbles. You know that, right? This is a real important thing. You want to do a press, not a saw. You're not going to like saw the thing up. And when you're a kid, remember when they used to cut the crust off the bread?
Yeah.
Okay, well we don't do that here because we're adults now. We're supposed to eat the crust, but they still taste horrible. Place the glass in the center of the plate. I like to be real picky here. Like, 'cause I've done up to 4 sandwiches, so it's a good meal. Put it on the edge. Soft, easy. All you people without teeth or crackheads with 1 tooth, you can eat this stuff in a second. You're gonna have to turn it. Oh, you're right-handed. You did it! You probably saw the mistakes she made.
Uh-huh.
You understand what they are? You know where to hold it now? How's it? Let's just see how you're doing now. You would rather have it dipped in milk or not dipped in milk?
Dipped in milk.
Okay, that's. We have basically raspberry milk. So good. When you're finished, you're done. Place it over the sink. Don't wash it now because you gotta go digest. So hop on a couch and we'll see you next time.